sit in a yellow cubicle and I type in an orange screen, and I'll get a raise next Tuesday if I can keep my office clean. The women here ignore me. They call me Scrawny Dan, but that's because they don't know me. They don't know who I really am. I am Chewbacca. I am a Wookiee. I fight the Empire. I fix the robots. Don't fucking cross me. I am Chewbacca. In need of no one. In want of nothing. I am Chewbacca. I have no home. My home is where my spirit goes. Don't fucking taunt me. Don't touch Chewbacca. I'll rip your arms off. I'll kill your friends. And I think about my home planet when I'm in the conference room. I wear a coat and tie, but my heart is filled with gloom. 'Cause that faggot on the Death Star would like to see me dead. Someday I'll tear off his black helmet and take a dump on his fucking head. I am Chewbacca. I am a Wookiee. I fight the Empire. I fly the Falcon. You want a piece of me? You want a piece of Chewbacca? I'm 8 feet tall. I'll kick your ass. Chewbacca! I have no home. My home is where my spirit goes. You can all fuck off. I am Chewbacca. Kiss my ass. Eat shit, motherfucker. 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 Thank you.